Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So today we're gonna go through BTC, Ethereum, and USDT just to have a understanding of what's happening on the charts at this moment. We are slightly below the entry once again that I gave to you yesterday. So we're gonna go through that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you're always updated with the latest news when it comes to the cryptocurrencies, indices, and if there's any forex pair that you want me to go through, make sure to comment that in the video section below the video. And as always, make sure to follow me on my Twitter. You have the link in the description down below the video. On my Twitter, this is where I give you a lot of updates. If I'm in any position, I do sometimes share that with you, but I give you a lot of setup. So make sure to subscribe to my Twitter so you're always updated. If you want to be able to trade more than just cryptocurrencies, then Prosperity FX is a great platform, a great broker for you to be able to do that. You have a very tight spread and you're able to trade both cryptocurrencies, indices, metal, forex. You have so many different assets that you can trade on this platform. You do need a KYC. Another great thing though that Prosperity FX have is that you can have a funded account where you will get 80% in profit with all of the profits that you're doing. So if you want to be able to trade on this platform, you have the link in the description down below the video pinned up here, and this is of course how you are supporting my channel. But going into BTC at this time, as I said, we are still below the entry point for the short that I have right now on BTC. The only thing that I do have in mind is that on the higher time frames, we do have a lot of candlesticks to the upside, and I do expect the market to consolidate. If the market drops down, we have already retested this level as we spoke about yesterday, 33,393 and 33,107. We can definitely see the market drop down to this level for another bounce back up, because this is the support level that we have for BTC, and I would not be surprised if we drop down and then we can see another momentum up for it. So I definitely believe that we're gonna reach higher targets. Everything depends on how far we'll see the market drop down to for that consolidation, because sometimes what's happening is that you see the market drop down here once again to the 50% that we have at 32k. So everything depends on what the market's going to do against the trend line, also combined with the support level that we do have for BTC. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I said before, so you can be on the live stream that I will have a little bit later on today during New York session. So at that point, the market would have done a lot more than what we have right now. Because when we are looking at USDT is testing a previous level. We dropped down to 6.74%. This was a big reversal zone that we did have. But if we are going down to the lower time frames, we have the same thing as on BTC, but we have this resistance zone. And we are testing this right now. So, based on what we have been looking at previous time, this level is usually very tested, and then we see the market continue to drop. I do have this Fibonacci level at 6.80%, also 6.85%. If the market's still gonna respect this support zone, this can be where, and if we are breaking above 6.97%, this can be where we see the market push up to 7.20%. So it's really good to combine these two together, because they're obviously going against each other. So if USDT drops, then BTC will push, and if USDT push, then we will see BTC drop. So everything depends on, of course, what the market's going to do from here. Looking at right now, it does look like we can have another drop down from here. If you don't know how to trade on Prosperity FX, I got two really good videos. I have the tutorial video for Prosperity FX, but I also have this video right here where I explain exactly on how to use MetaTrader 4, because when you are trading on Prosperity, you're trading on MetaTrader 4, and if you've never used it, it's of course going to be a little bit complicated for you, but I show you in this video exactly on how to do it. It's a very simple platform, as I think. So this was a trade long time ago that I did take, and this is how it looks when you are entering that trade on MetaTrader 4, and this was a AUD/USD. So this is a forex pair that I did have, and you can see how I was in profit and how I had my take profit up here. I don't remember exactly if this got hit. I do believe that, But yeah, make sure to look at this video so you know exactly on how to use MetaTrader 4. You also have it pinned right up here in the corner. We will continue to look at your Ethereum right now and going up to the higher time frames just to have an understanding. So the same thing as we spoke about yesterday, we are inside the Fibonacci level at this time. If we see the market continue up, we can definitely do that, but we need to break above 1,820 for that. So on the lower time frames, we're looking, of course, to see where that reverse can happen from. And we have this exact same thing happening on BTC. We have this big zone right here as a support level. So you can see how we tried to break it, but we are about to close inside of this level once again. So I would not be surprised if we start to see the market continue up, but I would love to see the market breaking above the previous lower high that we have at 1,800, break above, give me a higher low level. At that time, I will enter a long position. So what's going to happen on my BTC trade? Well, you know, I think I'm going to close it actually based off what I just spoke to you about. So we'll see if I will find another long position depending on how the market's going to behave around these levels. But at this time, it looks more bullish going to USDT. It looks more bearish. So this was a trade that didn't go down to the take profit. So that's just what's happening sometimes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live a little bit later on, because I always go on live streams between Monday to Friday, and where I go in and look at your coins. I'm looking at indices, cryptocurrencies, forex, if you want me to do that. Also, make sure to look at this MetaTrader 4 tutorial that you have right here at the end of the video, and please comment below if there's any trouble or if you have any questions. Make sure to ask me and I can answer that. We'll see each other on the live stream later today. Bye.